Welcome to Shakes021 Gaming. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming content.
Perfect!
Today we'll be talking about a low budget gaming PC. As you can see, this is a very old IBM box, mainly used as a workstation from home or office, and yes, you will even see a box like this in your local internet cafe. However, what is inside this PC box is where things get interesting, with a cheap setup to the total value of 2,500 Rand. This can be found on Facebook Marketplace as well as Gumtree. The box should cost you 1,500 and the graphics card 1,000 Rand. Let's remove the side panel. As you guys can see, inside of this computer box it is fairly clean for its age, and there is a bit of wire ducting done. Not the best of job, but is to keep everything on its place. If you have a look at the power supply here, you will see it has 270 watts of power. Not the best, but it will help during the time of load shedding as well. So if you have a look at the hard drive, there is two 150GB and a 500GB, powered by a Lenovo motherboard, a Asus graphics card GT1030 and an Intel CPU i5 4590. Let's move over to the bench and let's see what it's running and do some gaming.
Wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love,